about to go get some tints for the car because you can see everything. I think it has like back tints, yeah. Like you can't see anything back here, but obviously here you can see. And I'm debating if I should put some tint in the front or not. I'm not sure yet. I might end up putting a little bit. Not sure. Man, that looks scuffy. And I need to do something about this. Basically the paint's chipping it out already. Look at that one rib. They're crazy. Here's where you have to go slow. There's always cops around here, right here. This is where they always post up, right here. Right here. They'll chill right here behind one of these palm trees. Right there with the radar gun. With the speed gun right there. They'll be chilling right there. Either the guys on the motorcycles. Hell no. This is not, you do not go fast on this road. Alright, so we just got to the place, but we just went in and we have to wait an hour and a half up to 2 hours until we can go, because I don't know, I guess there's a lot of people. Yo, get some rollers. Film me, film me.
In the hood, haciendo popcorn.
But go, I'll go by.